So hi guys, for today's video, manguhuli tayo ng manok. And there's so many chicken. There's so many. Wow. Ayun dami. My goodness, look. Ang dami nilang mangga. Let's see kung meron silang egg. Meron kayang egg ang mga chicken. Oh, meron nga. There. Ah, may egg. Hi chickens. Ay, ibang klaseng mga chicken. Ang ganda ng mga kulay. That one was so nice. Hi chickens. What are your names? Sure. Hey. Hi everyone. Anong chicken kaya itong mga to?